Are you tired of fixing broken error on the Deepseek? I'm here to fix your error by myself. Okay, let's just dive right into the video. So it is pretty much simple as it may looks very technical, but it is really simple. Just do it. Okay, just do it like this. Okay, all you have to do is to go to the setting, view site information over here, and here you will see all the cooking as side data. So all you have to do is to delete all the cookies inside it. And after that, make sure you reload the page. So what it will do, it will just sign you out of your account, obviously, then sign back in with your official account. Here you guys can see that the verification was successful and the server is not working. So if this issue still persists on your device, make sure you have a stable internet connection. And for that, just go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that your internet device is have a stable internet connection, and make sure you toggle the Wi-Fi switch off and then on to make sure the connection is successful. So by doing this, I hope your server error will be fixed. If nothing works, all you have to do is to have patience, because patience is power. So by waiting and hoping that the server might fix, because the major problem is the traffic over the server is too much, as the DeepSeek is on the trend right now, and the server traffic is too much that sometimes you might get to wait a few minutes in to get into the server. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.